Hello everyone, welcome back to our ServiceNow HRSD series. In this video, we will be exploring employee journey management, a powerful approach that enhances employee experience by guiding them through key moments in their career. We will cover the concept of employee journey management, its benefit, core features in ServiceNow HRSD, and real-world applications that help organizations support employees at every stage of their journey. Let's get started. Introduction. Understanding employee experience. Employee experience plays a crucial role in engagement, productivity, and retention. Every milestone from onboarding to promotions contributes to overall experience. Then, what is employee journey management? Employee journey management help organizations structure and optimize employee experience through predefined workflows and automated process. Instead of handling HR tasks in isolation, uh, employee journey management provides a connected journey for employees. Then key benefits of employee journey management: improves employee satisfaction by offering personalized support, enhance HR efficiency by automating key milestones, and ensure consistency in onboarding, career transitions, and other HR processes. Then HRSD's role in enhancing employee journey. ServiceNow HRSD provides tools to map, manage, and improve end-to-end employee journeys. Key features like journey templates, workflows, and analytic help HR teams deliver seamless experiences. Core features. Predefined journey templates. ServiceNow offers templates for common employee milestones such as onboarding, role transitions, and promotions. Organizations can customize these templates to align with company policies. Cross-department workflows. Employee journey often involve multiple teams, HR, IT, finance, and more. HRSD enables cross-department collaboration to streamline processes. Then journey personalization. Different employees have different needs. Personalized journey allows organization to tailor experience based on the job role, location, and seniority. Then analytics and feedback. Built-in reporting tools help HR teams measure journey effectiveness, completion rates, and employee feedback. Data-driven insights help refine and improve employee journeys. Then implementation strategies. Mapping employee journeys. HR teams should identify key employee movements and design structured workflow for each stage. For example, new hire onboarding, internally mobility, or offboarding process. Leveraging ServiceNow capabilities. ServiceNow provides tools to automate journey steps, assign tasks, and trigger notification to employee and stakeholders. Then stakeholders collaboration. HR, IT, and department managers must collaborate to ensure seamless execution. Clear role assignment and task ownership improve efficiency. Then change management. Introducing employee journey management requires organizational adoption, providing training and change management program ensures a smooth transition. Real world applications and success stories. Onboarding journey automates the onboarding process by coordinating IT setup, HR paperwork, and manager introductions. Improves new hire engagement and productivity from day one. Then career development journey supports employee in skill development, promotions and role changes, helps organization retain talent by offering clear career progression paths. Then metrics and ROI. Company using employee journey management have seen higher employee satisfaction, faster onboarding, and better retention rates. Then future trends in employee journey management, AI powered personalized and predictive analytics, deeper integration with learning management systems for career growth, enhanced mobile experience to support remote and hybrid workforces. That wraps up our video on employee journey management in ServiceNow HRSD. We explained how employee journey management enhance employee experiences, its core features, and how organization can implement it effectively. In the next video, we will dive into another key HRSD features to help you optimize HR operations. Stay tuned. See you next time. Thank you.